morning guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be filming another vlog. Today it's going to be a productive Saturday in my life, and I am actually going to the beach today. It's very cold outside, but me and my mom and my grandma decided that it would be fun to drive to the beach and kind of see how it is and everything like that. So I thought I would take you guys along with me because I thought that would be something that kind of like changes up my vlogs and everything like that. With all that being said, I am just going to go ahead and get right into this video. If you guys like the video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, it's linked down below, and leave me a comment down below letting me know how school is currently going for you, or if you work, how work is going for you. With all that being said, let's get into the video. So here's today's outfit as of right now. I just got ready and took a shower and did my makeup, and I'm just wearing this little sweatsuit from Princess Polly. This is what it looks like, and I just wanted to say I got this idea from Fernanda. I'll have her channel linked down below because I literally love her, but this outfit is inspired by her because I saw her wearing it, but it is from Princess Polly. So it looks like this. I think it's really cute and such a cute and warm sweatsuit, but that is what I'm wearing right now. I'm going to change when I actually do go to the beach just because I want to take some Instagram pictures, and I'll also take you guys behind the scenes of how I actually make my Instagram pictures. Okay, so this is what my floor looks like right now because I just filmed a Shein try on haul for TikTok and my Instagram reels. So that's what that looks like. And my bed also looks like a mess because I also have to film some hauls that have to go up on my channel this week. But that is how my room is looking right now. So before I go, I just have to do my hair, and I also forgot to tell you guys that I have so much homework to do this weekend, so it's also going to be like a college productive day in my life as well because I have to do a lot of homework. So I will update you guys as I go along my day, and I'm really excited to get it started. Today I actually already did go to the gym. I went to Orange Theory and took a class. It was really good and I really enjoyed it today, so that is always good. Here's my outfit for the beach. I'm wearing this little crop top sweater from Princess Polly, these jeans from American Eagle, and then for jewelry I'm wearing this little butterfly necklace from Francesca's Boutique and these little butterfly earrings from Princess Polly, and then these top earrings are from somewhere in the mall. So that is a little update for you guys, and yeah, I think I might wear some boots, but I also might bring sneakers just in case I get like tired. If we decide to go on a walk, I don't want my feet to hurt, so that is probably what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm finally all ready and we are about to head to the beach right now. We just got to the beach. It's kind of like 50 degrees right now, 48, and we are going to go see how everything is. It's really windy, but it's honestly not that cold. It kind of feels refreshing, which is weird because it's winter. The ocean. It is really windy, like I said, and I just took pictures with my mom. It was very, very windy, but yeah, that's the update. Freezing, but we are going to go to a different beach right now and see how it is there. A lot of the shops are closed, I guess because it's Saturday and it's winter, so that probably makes sense. But that is an update. I'm freezing and I'll update you guys later. I just got back from the beach and it was so fun, but it was really cold. I did take a lot of Instagram pictures, and when I was trying to take the Instagram pictures, let me just say I could not get my hair to cooperate because of how windy it was. In the beginning of the vlog, I said, oh, you know, it's not that cold, everything's good, like it's 50 degrees, but it was so cold because I forgot how windy the beach is. Even when it's like 70 degrees or like 90 degrees, it's still windy, and that's why I personally feel like refreshed when I go to the beach, because when it's 90 degrees and it's windy, it's nice, but when it's 50 degrees and it's windy, it's freezing. I was wearing my hood to my sweatshirt the whole time, but it was really fun. We did go to 2 beaches because we wanted to see like how the other ones were, but I just got home and I ate dinner, and now I'm actually going to go ahead and do some schoolwork because I have so much schoolwork that I have to get done. So that is going to be the next thing I have to do. I probably left my house at around 12 today and it's now like 6 o'clock, so it's definitely later in the day, but I do still have a lot to do. So I'm still going to vlog, take you guys along with me, and we'll see what time it is after I do my homework because it's probably honestly going to take me so long because I have no idea how to do accounting. I just finished my intermediate accounting homework. It took me a while because I honestly don't know what I'm doing. Like I said before, that is probably not a good thing, but that's just the truth. The next thing I'm going to do is actually do my manifestations. So I like to do this every so often. I don't do this all the time. I do say affirmations every day, but I don't actually do manifestations every day, if that makes sense. And I know manifesting and manifestations aren't for everyone, so if you don't like that, then please do not feel pressured by this video. This is just something I believe in. But basically what I like to do is I like to script. So I'll write out in my journal certain things that I want to happen, but in the present tense. So instead of saying I want, I will act like I already have it. So basically one of my really big dreams is to have 100K on YouTube. So something that I would write down is I am sitting in my new apartment and my subscribers are growing like crazy. I continue to wake up every morning and gain 5,000 subscribers. Basically what this does is you're allowing the universe to hear what you want in the present tense, and when you then close your journal, you come back to reality, but at the same time you're also living in that moment, so as if it's already yours. And that's what people mean when they say like let it go, so that the universe understands, well, you're not begging for it. When you already have something, you're not desperate to have it because it's already yours. So I like to script and manifest in my journal just to kind of like set my intentions. And then as for affirmations, I just like to say certain things in the present tense, and I don't know, they really calm me down. Like if I'm feeling anxious about something, I'll say I am healthy, or I am going to pass this test, and I'll say it over and over again until I believe it. Some people like to do this by looking in a mirror, some people don't. It's really up to you. I just like to say it to myself. Sometimes I'll even write it out, but that is what I'm going to do right now because I finished my homework. That really did take me a while, and I just want to kind of set the mood in my mind to be on the right track for the rest of my night. And then the last thing I wanted to say is you can write as much or as little as you want, but I really do think it helps when you are very specific as to what you are trying to manifest into your life, because then you're saying exactly what you want as if you already have it. Just make sure to be very specific and feel the emotion while you're doing it, because again, if you had it, you would be feeling happy or joyful or whatever it is that you're trying to manifest. So with all that being said, I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I will move on. Also, I did get a lot of questions on my Instagram story about crystals. I actually love crystals so much. I have a lot right here, and if you guys want like a whole video on that, I can do that, so let me know down below. I also made a vision board, and I kid you not, the second I put a brand company on that vision board, the same day I got an email from that brand asking me to work with them, and I was like, what? I really do believe that it works, and I also believe that you can do anything that you set your mind to, and a lot of it is mindset. If you believe in something, it will come true. You just also have to put the work in. So just keep that in mind. Know that you can do literally anything. Believe in yourself. I believe in you. I just finished doing my journaling, and now I'm going to go ahead and take a shower to get ready for bed because I'm really tired after today, so I just want to take a shower and then get ready for bed. I probably won't go to sleep, but at least I'll be ready because, I don't know, I like getting ready early. It's the next day now, and I honestly just took a shower last night and then I went to bed. I edited for like a little bit, and that's basically it. It's the next day, like I said, and I do have some homework that I have to get done. I am going to Orange Theory to take a workout class again, and yeah, I thought I would update you guys and continue vlogging for at least a little bit. I just got ready for the gym. I'm just wearing this sweatshirt with a t-shirt underneath and some Fabletics joggers, but I'm about to go to the gym right now, and I'm hoping the workout isn't too bad because yesterday's wasn't too bad. It was actually good, and I don't know, whenever a workout is really good, I get really excited to go the next day. So hopefully it is a good workout. I mean, all of Orange Theory's workouts are good. When I say good, I mean it was easier, and I like when it's easier. But today is actually the Super Bowl, so I want to get my workout in just so I can kind of eat a little more unhealthy today. I also want to make a video of me doing like healthy snacks, so let me know if you guys want to see that. It is snowing right now. We're supposed to get 4 to 8 inches in New Jersey from where I am from, like my town. I'm not sure if that's actually going to happen because it was supposed to start at like 4 a.m., 5 a.m. and it actually just started. I don't like driving in the snow, but it's literally just flurrying, so hopefully by the time I get out of my class it'll be fine. I think it will be. I know I said this in another vlog, but we literally just got like almost 2 feet of snow a couple weeks ago. It was actually a week ago on Sunday, so I am not happy about the snow right now because we have so much snow on the ground already, which is why when I went to the beach yesterday I was expecting there to be so much snow because there was snow on the beach when it did snow here, and obviously every town gets a little less snow or a little more snow than another town, so I wasn't expecting it to be this much because I know that the part of New Jersey I'm in did get more snow than the shore for that snowstorm, but I was expecting there to be a little more snow on the ground. And if you guys saw the transition, like here there's so much snow, and when I went to the beach there was like nothing, so that is interesting. I guess it is a little warmer by the beach, but it was also freezing by the beach. But with all that being said, that is basically what is going on right now. My class is at 9:15 and it's like 8 o'clock right now, so I'm just going to drive around for a little bit. I love driving around listening to music, and I wish I could sing with you guys on camera and do like a drive with me, but I don't want this video to get copyrighted, so if you guys want me to do like a playlist video I can. Let me know down below. But with all that being said, I am going to go to class and I will update you guys after when I get back. Okay, I just finished my workout and it was a very hard workout. If you guys can see by my appearance, I'm sweating. It's also freezing outside. It's snowing. So I'm going to try to drive home very, very carefully. I am terrified to drive in the snow. I don't know if that's just me, but I just really don't like it. I'm sure a lot of people could relate, but I'm going to drive home. I made it home, but it's really snowing hard right now. I just finished doing my homework. It took about like 2 hours. I had to do another accounting that is due tomorrow. It is on Connect, and then I had to do something for marketing. We had to like take a survey. So that is what I was doing for the past couple of hours, and it is still snowing, so I'm just staying inside right now. The next thing I have to do is wash all my dirty clothes, so I'm going to put all those clothes into this hamper and then bring them downstairs to my laundry room to wash some of those clothes. So I am waiting for the wash to end so I can flip it over and put my laundry into the dryer and then start another load of wash because I have so much laundry to do. But what I'm going to do right now is I actually just came back in from outside from like cleaning up the snow and everything like that. It's still snowing, so I am sure that I will have to go out again, but for now I'm going to get ready. I'm not going to show me doing my makeup in this video, but I am planning on filming a video today, so I do want to get ready and do that when it's still daylight outside, just so the lighting is really good. Sometimes I do use a ring light, but for the most part I like using natural light, so I want to do it when the natural light is good. But that is what I'm going to do right now, and then when my wash finally ends I will flip that over and start a new load of wash. But I just wanted to come on here and update you guys and tell you what I was doing, even though I'm not showing my makeup in this vlog. If you go to one of my school vlogs that I posted recently, I do have my makeup routine in there, and I can always do just a dedicated makeup routine video. It finally stopped snowing, which is really good. I just showed you guys what outside looks like right now. It is so pretty. The sun looks beautiful. The weather is like nice because it smells like that like fresh smell of snow, if that makes sense. Comment down below if anyone knows what I'm talking about after it snows or like right before it snows. But that is a little update of what's going on right now. I am still waiting for my wash to be done, and then the Super Bowl is going to happen soon. So very excited about that. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys prefer like the Super Bowl commercials or the actual game. I know some people really like the commercials and that's like the only reason they watch it, and then other people really like the game and that's the only reason they watch it. So let me know down below which you prefer. And I don't really know if I'm going to watch all of the Super Bowl. Sometimes I just have it on in the background and then I'll watch the halftime show, the commercials, everything like that, but I don't actually pay attention to the game. And then other times I watch the whole thing, so it kind of just depends on my mood. I did finish everything for school today though, so I might actually watch it just because I don't have anything else to do, and I do think it's really fun. So I will keep you guys updated. I'm sorry about the noise in the background. Everyone is like trying to clean up the snow outside. We are going for a walk right now. We have to take my dog on a walk, so I thought I would vlog that before we get ready for the Super Bowl, even though I don't really know what I'm doing. Alright, so I just got back from the walk with my mom and it was so cold, and my dog was like getting very scared because all the snow trucks were out and they kept like driving by us as we were walking, and she did not like that, so we won't do that again. I felt so bad though because she wasn't able to go outside a lot today because of the snow, and it's supposed to snow like a lot this week and next week as well, so we wanted to get her out of the house and like allow her to exercise and everything like that, obviously. And I feel bad because the snow trucks were like scaring her in the snow, like, and yeah, so that is the update. I think I'm just going to end the vlog here though because I actually just got assigned an assignment that is due in a couple of days, so I'm going to work on that. As for the Super Bowl, I'm not really doing anything. I'm going to put it on now and have it on in the background while I do my homework, but other than that, that is about it for this video. If you guys liked it, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content from me. Leave me a comment down below letting me know if you like the commercials on the Super Bowl better or if you actually watch the game, because I'm interested in seeing what you all think about it. With all that being said, thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!